So you want to replace. Congratulations! You've chosen to purchase or lease a new Toyota.
I'm pretty excited.
I'm pretty nervous.
So what's the deal? How do we do this?
So first thing, you'll want to figure out what new vehicle you want to drive.
Oh, I like that one. Or perhaps...
And once you've chosen the next car of your dreams, log on to toyotafinancial.com to submit an online credit application. If approved, it's good at any participating Toyota dealer.
Oh, that's easy.
Anything else?
Yes. Make sure you register or log on to your TFS online account. There are a number of convenient self-service tools that will speed things along. Plus, make sure that the address we have for you is correct.
Ain't nobody got time for missing mail.
Now that you've started shopping for a new car, it's time to return to your current one. Step 1, we recommend scheduling a complimentary vehicle pre-inspection with AutoVin approximately 60 days before you return. It's fast, easy, and they'll even come to you.
Really? Like they'll even come to my office at lunch?
That is correct. To schedule, head on over to AutoVinLive.com or call 855-40-MY-TFS.
Now, I've got a few scratches and dings. What about those?
On our website, there's a checklist to show what's considered acceptable wear and use. If you purchased an excess wear and use protection plan with your lease, you can relax.
Whew, thank goodness for that. Roger likes to dig in the back seat.
But if I need repairs, not that I do. Asking for a friend.
Then you can get them done at an authorized Toyota service center with genuine Toyota parts. Just let us know you've made the repairs based on your pre-inspection condition report.
And then I just dropped my car in on the last day, right?
Well, you can streamline the process for you and us by contacting your dealer to make an appointment.
I thought that would be the case.
So what do I need to bring with me?
Here's a list of things you may need to bring to your lease return appointment if they apply to you. All sets of keys, toolkit, owner's manual, your TFS odometer disclosure statement, any original equipment that came with your vehicle, such as radio, spare tire, etc.
Got it.
Basically, if it came with the vehicle, it needs to come back when you return the vehicle.
Noted.
Of course, when you drop off your car, feel free to take photos of the condition of your vehicle. You'll also want to confirm your mileage, sign a statement, take a copy, and write down the name of the dealer associate who helped you with the return.
And then we're done?
We'll then send you a final invoice detailing any unpaid payments, late fees, and miscellaneous charges. The invoice may also include excess wear and use charges, mileage charges, the disposition fee, which in this case we've waived since you're replacing your vehicle.
Hold up.
Dispo what?
The disposition fee. It covers the cost of reconditioning and remarketing your vehicle.
I knew that. What?
And what about my security deposit?
Well, if you made a security deposit, it will be returned to your home address via check.
Cha-ching!
Hey, I forgot to update my address when I turned in my last lease. It took forever to get my check.
Oh, good call. I'm going to do that right now. How do I do that?
You can double check by registering or logging on to your TFS online account. It will be first used to pay any lease and invoice charges that you might have. And don't forget to immediately cancel any recurring electronic payments you've set up with your bank.
Awesome.
Excellent.
Fantastic.
More questions? Download our vehicle return checklist. Reach out to your local dealer with questions or contact a TFS loyalty advocate at 800-286-0652. Toyota Financial Services, making your lease end nice and simple.